Assembly instruction. Skylark. Tools included: screwdriver, Phillips and slotted 2-in-1, double open-end wrench, 13 mm, 15 mm, Allen wrench, 5 mm, 6 mm. Tools needed: scissor, bike pump. Let's start assembling your Nakto Skylark. Step 1. Unpack the e-bike. Pull the frame and all parts: charger, seat, toolkit, keys and fuse, manual, steer stem and pedals out of cardboard box. Ensure all the following pieces are included with the Nakto Skylark. Keep this spare fuse in a safe place. It will be used for the replacement if the original fuse were damaged. Step 2. Unfolding the Skylark frame. First, unfold the frame. Then you need to secure the frame hinge. Rotate clockwise to secure the part, then press down towards the bike frame. Then gently push this part to tighten it. Step 3. Install the handlebar. First, you need to loosen this. Then open it to put it into the steer tube. Then we tighten this screw. In the end, we lifted it up and put it back to position. Tighten the screw. Close the quick release lever to secure the stem. Remember to turn the plastic clasp clockwise to secure the quick release lever. For handlebar, we need to first fully open its quick release lever. Then insert the handlebar stem into the stem tube. Here you can set the handlebar to the desired height but not exceed max height or minimum insertion. Then close the quick release lever. Make sure the handlebar and front wheel are properly aligned. Step 4. Insert the seat post. First, open the quick release lever. Insert seat post into seat tube. Adjust the seat post up or down to a comfortable height, while ensuring the seat post is inserted into the frame past the minimum insertion point. Then close the quick release lever. Step 5. Install the pedals. The pedal within R means it is the right pedal. The right pedal goes on the crank on the right side of the bike. The remaining pedal within L is the left pedal. The left pedal goes on the crank on the left side of the bike. The right pedal's threaded to tighten by turning clockwise. The left pedal's reverse threaded and tightens counterclockwise. Carefully thread the pedal onto the crank by hand slowly. Congratulations, you have successfully assembled Skylark. Register warranty card with us as soon as possible. Keep proof of purchase in a safe place. Keep packing and box for at least 2 weeks from the date of purchase, as we do not provide a box for returns if needed.